free history report, i.e. either Carfax or AutoCheck, available for all cars. See AlineScarsales.com for more info. All prices are firm, no haggle prices, so you know you're getting the best deal we can give. All cars have clean titles. With multiple locations, we usually have a good selection of vehicles available to see immediately, but call first to confirm availability and location. Please call for appointment before visiting. Search our inventory online to find specific stock numbers so we can show you the car best for you. Service agreements, aka extended warranties, are available for almost any car, even if you buy elsewhere. Gasp! Sorry, no credit cards accepted on car sales, but credit card checks are fine.